DeltaV SaaS SCADA is an IIoT cloud-native platform designed to enable asset-intensive industries to quickly and securely connect, acquire analytics, and provide control of remotely located devices anywhere, anytime by any one of your authorized users. We help our customers become more productive, profitable, and sustainable to improve life around the globe. In this session, we will be discussing how to utilize site displays in DeltaV SaaS SCADA. To find your sites in the homepage, navigate to the hierarchy on the left of your screen. You can search for a site by entering the name, UWI, serial number, or IP address. Once you've found your desired location, simply click the box to pull up the display for that site. Or you can open the folders in the hierarchy and select the folders to open all sites in the folder, or select a single site. Once selected, you'll see all the details of the site display, including site name, UWI, which stands for Unique Well Identifier, device type, status. This could be online, offline, or hibernating. You can also hover on the serial number I icon to see the IP address and view the date and time of the last transmission. You'll also see all the monitored sensors for that device. To view additional sensors, click the pull-down panel, which will remain hidden unless there's an alarm. In case of an alarm, the sensor name will be color-coded according to the alarm type. The alarm colors are as follows: red for high or low alarm, yellow is a high or low alarm, and gray is a no communication alarm. A green dot means that the sensor is healthy. You can view a 7-day trending graph for any sensor by selecting it. The graph will pop up to view. You can adjust the date and time as needed. Here you can change the date range and then select refresh. Now you will see the date range you selected reflected in the graph. By hovering over the triangles, you'll see the exact date and time of the transmission. To zoom in, simply highlight the area you would like to look at closer. Then you can go back to the site display. The options in the site display are on the top right of the location. The live data screen is represented by the clock icon. This is a customizable display of all your data with optional graphics and graphs. In this screen, you can write to the devices if needed. This screen also has a demand poll or force report, depending on the device. To run a demand poll and obtain real-time data instead of waiting for the next scheduled poll, select the Demand Poll button. After initiating a demand poll, check the command log for the status. Once it indicates successful, select the refresh icon to update. Then you'll see the most up-to-date data from this site. Now you can return to the home page. Next on the site display, there is the Live Data Grid. The Live Data Grid presents the same data and functions of the live data screen, including demand polls and writing to devices, in a structured grid format. Here you can also see the tags for the sensors. Select the house icon to get back to the home page. Next to the live data icons, you'll find a pull-down menu with options such as Configure Alarms, Configure Location, Data Entry, Event Log, Location Properties, and QTRs. You may see more or less options depending on your level of authorization and device type. Lastly, the graph icon will create a graph for the location once you have created reports in the Report Center option. For more information on how to create reports and graphs, please see the reporting course on e-learning in DeltaV SaaS SCADA. The down arrow icon also is based on the reports that you have created and allows you to export reports in several formats. To close the site display, click on the X. Please contact our support team with any additional questions or training needs you may have. Our customers are enabled with DeltaV SaaS SCADA from every angle with change and project management, complete training, and live 24/7 support, because we believe every person on earth holds the potential to create a brighter tomorrow.